What is up, guys? How's it going? I hope all of you are safe and sound at home. How was your week? Well, we're not just in the second last weekend of 2020, but also in the second last episode of MTV Splitsvilla 13 online auditions, Speedy Affair, co-powered by Philips Hair Care and Manforce. Before we start, I have someone I would like to welcome. A very special guest is joining us today. Please welcome the gorgeous and extremely cool and really close friend of mine, Neha Dhupia. Neha, how's it going?
Ran!
Oh, wow. How Christmassy.
Yes, very Christmassy.
You're
You
looking
and
so
I.
nice.
Let's this way, right? Let's high five this way.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
getting used to this
High
one.
five.
But Ran, it's amazing to be here. I was just listening to the introduction. I think you're coming close to the end of the online auditions. I'm just glad I could make it.
Yeah, we did two last week. Neha, this is the first time ki online auditions ho rahe hain. And of course, when the lockdown happened, you, Nikhil, all of us, we started doing online auditions. First time ever on Roadies, we had a roadie to come to the journey. And this time we're also going to have two splits villains. So ये जो 4 episodes है, इसमें से 4 finalists होंगे और इनमें से 2 लोग, जितने भी लोग हमें देख रहे हैं, वो लोग vote करेंगे for these two to actually be on Splitsvilla. How cool is that? You actually seen it happen.
Cool. You know, Ran, you were saying कि जो पहली बार online auditions हुई थी वो Roadies से शुरू हुई थी and us moving on to Splitsvilla. I just want to also remind ourselves that the lovely girl who came through the online auditions, Shreya, she did really well in the show as well. You know, she was so worthy of being a roadie. So ऐसे नहीं है that you're just sitting in the comfort of your home and auditioning, because these people are working really hard. I also know मैंने पिछले हफ्ते देखा था that Kevin from Roadies Revolution is a part of Splitsvilla. It's very exciting. I can't wait to get started.
10 girls he got to meet on the stream, and then he selected one, and then there was the next day there was a girl who selected a boy. But aaj bhi yahi hone wala hai.
Good taste. So
we have somebody who's going to be here, and he's going to meet 10 single girls jo 4 rounds mein compete karne wale hain for this Splitsvilla's attention. In every round of dating, there'll be some connections that will, go. And finally, our Splitsvilla will select one lucky single who will be one step closer to being a part of Splitsvilla 13. Right?
That's quite spectacular. I also think there's too much pressure, both on, the guy who's going to be selecting and the girls who are going to be a part of the selection. Matlab, I think it's a lot. Can we help? Can we make suggestions or no?
कभी तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा हुआ है नेहा कि there are 10-15 boys that are vying for your attention and you have to choose out of them, because यहाँ पर ना it's happening right in front of them live. पहले लगता the idea is great कि 10 लड़कियां, then you have to choose 6 and you see the 4 going, then you have to choose 3, then you have to choose 2 and then 1. It's not easy. It sounds
actually, you've known me long enough. मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ, पर मेरा एक दोस्त है जो मैं जानती हूँ school से, उसके साथ हुआ है. And I just want to tell everyone that it's this guy, and when he's not, I can't say selection. Never been one to like upset anyone, and he's a married man now, but this guy I know has been there, and I know that you know the game on and off screen. At least you used to. Ab to baat badal gayi hai.
Ab kya hai? But let me just recap a little bit for everybody who's watching us and who's tuned in. पिछले हफ्ते Kevin और Nikita ने समृद्धि और पीयूष को चुना. Let's see कि इस weekend who the lucky two are. और ये जो final selected होंगे, इनका जो fate है वो आप लोगों के हाथ में है. क्योंकि आप लोग जो हमारी audience है, you will be actually deciding and voting for the 2 lucky ones who will actually become a part of Splitsvilla 13. This is amazing. So, but you got to remember that the voting lines are not open right now. They will open on the 21st of December at 12 p.m. And please vote for your favorites, and then you can, make sure that they're on Splitsvilla, and you can only vote on Voot. But now, Neha, are you ready? It's vibing time.
Yes, absolutely. I'm really excited, and I'm going to be, having a little bit of fun and living my wish through Salman. But I know that Salman's a guy, so it's not really of me living my wish, but I'm just going to be like, hey, okay, I'll help you select and, all of that. But
yeah, we'll help him. You have to just help him. Just nudge him to make the right.
थोड़ा सा मतलब we'll nudge a little bit. ज़्यादा
Yeah.
नहीं.
It's time to vibe now. So swag alert for the boy who has millions and millions of fans after him and an entire Zaidi army to support him. Salman Zaidi. Talia.
तालियां.
आ रहा हूं मैं सलमान जैदी इस साल स्प्लिट्सविला को
मैं मेरा बाप मेरे बाप की नकल नहीं सिखाया उसने खुल के जीत घुट के मर नहीं बताया उसने खुल के लड़ किसी से डर नहीं
to find my ideal match.
नहीं उसूल छुपा पे रख घमंड ये काम आएगा अदब और साफ रख कर
तो देखते हैं कौन ले जाता है मेरा दिल.
तू पैसा खाएगा इज्जत कमा तू किंग नाम से कहलाएगा.
What is
Namaste,
up, Salman?
salam. What's up, guys? Hi, Ramsa. Hi, Neha.
Long time no see.
Long time, yeah, I know.
क्या चल रहा है, Salman?
I remember very clearly where I met you last, Salman.
It was quite eventful, ma'am.
Eventful
क्या
can
हुआ
be
था,
two
tell us?
things. It can either be... Sorry, Ran?
What happened? What happened? Tell me. What was so eventful?
I mean, I just remember that Salman was in. We met at the sets of Ace of Space, और मैं वहाँ गई थी और सलमान वहाँ पे था और उसकी एक बहुत ही जिसे कहते हैं ना bonding / relationship बहुत ही गहरी एक दोस्ती थी with this lovely girl called Krizan.
Yes,
Is
yes,
that right?
yes, yes. And we were playing a game.
Sorry?
If you remember, we were playing a game. You came and you were playing a game with us. हम लोग एक game खेल रहे थे, and you were there to ask us some questions. They were quite interesting, though. I still remember every one of them.
Oh, you do?
क्या बात है?
Tell me the worst question I asked you.
So Salman, at that particular time in Ace of Space, you were not single. Now you're single. क्या हुआ? Everything okay? कि क्या
I mean, yeah, me and Trizan started out in Ace, and we were together for nearly a year. But as things go, sir, like sometimes things work out, sometimes things don't. And both of us are in good places. We're looking for good things to do, and we're concentrating on our lives, and everybody's happy. So that's all that matters.
ये तो सही टाइमिंग हो गई तुम्हारे लाइफ में जब
मतलब-
तुम सिंगल हुए तो स्प्लिट्सविला आप आ रहे हो. What else do you want, यार? हाँ?
I mean, I've always been a fan of the show, sir.
You're all the right answers right now. You know, ki that's all that matters. She's in a good place. And I'm in a good place.
Well, I learned from the best.
Question, what happened? But as long
You were watching MTV, ma'am. So I mean, like, I learned from the best.
Okay. All right, guys. I'm happy, Salman, कि आप इस टाइम पर you're in Splitsvilla. So first of all, congratulations. But now you have a very important decision to make. 10 single girls wait कर रही हैं to come and interact with you. And
Sounds like a dream.
it's like a dream, right? But बहुत
Yeah,
जल्द
sounds like a dream.
कितना
no,
मुश्किल है.
Salman, not
But there's a
always.
lot of pressure. There's बहुत ज़्यादा pressure है. बहुत ही ज़्यादा pressure है. I don't want to break any hearts. I don't want to look bad or anything. I don't want to hurt anyone. But like, you know, you got to do what you got to do.
All right.
Yeah, but also remember, it's not a dream because sometimes it'll just be like, what if you're stuck between like two women who you're like, okay, just split right through the center, 50-50, फिर क्या करोगे? I just hope that doesn't happen. And
I mean, that's what you're here for. I mean, I hope you help me out with that.
absolutely. Are you a guy who thinks from your head or from your heart when it comes to women?
Both at the same time.
Wow.
You're in trouble. Let's go.
All right, let's not wait and start the first. Vibe at first sight. Now, ये love at first sight जो है ना, ये तो बहुत सुना है हमने और बहुत टाइम से चल रहा है, लेकिन this is vibe at first sight. एक एक करके 10 singles के जो intro हैं वो हम देखेंगे. सलमान, you just need to sit back, relax and watch and see if you vibe with them. In the end, आपको इन 10 में से ये videos, इनके intro videos देखकर 6 को select करना है. How does that sound? Hello?
बहुत ही ज़्यादा मेहनत का काम लग रहा है, sir.
हाँ.
I mean, let's see. They must have worked really hard on their intros, just the way I did. I mean, like, I don't, but like, let's see.
All right, I'm excited.
Vibe first.
Let's meet.
Yeah.
Let's meet our first single. Her name is Rashmi. This is what Salman is saying. Please don't rush me today. Please don't rush me. Let's take,
I have very vivid memories with that week.
You have decided on your own?
No, this is. Are you ready to see Rashmi's video?
ड्रामा क्वीन हूँ। हेलो, मैं रश्मि हूँ। मेरे फ्रेंड्स कहते हैं कि मैं बहुत बड़ी ड्रामा क्वीन हूँ और मैं हूँ। मेरे क्यूट चेहरे पे मत जाना। I'm more than just a cute face. छोटी छोटी बातें अच्छी लगती है। घर पे बैठना भी पसंद है, पार्टी करना भी पसंद है। प्यार के मामले में थोड़ा ओल्ड स्कूल हूँ। फोटो खिंचवाना बहुत पसंद है। The camera loves me. क्या पता हमारी जोड़ी पर क्लिक कर जाए।
All right.
Cute.
After this,
Tish. Cute-ish.
Very laid back.
Yeah. Thoda sa selfie obsessed and old school in love. Let's meet our second contestant, Anahita. Dancing princess looking for a king of hearts. Aapko, do you dance, Salman? Are you into dancing?
I mean, I'm not into dancing, but I've started dancing recently, and
nice.
I'm having fun with it.
Oh, good.
I thought she was like relaxed. मतलब over नहीं कर रही थी, ज़्यादा under नहीं कर रही थी. उसको मालूम है वो camera पे है. Something nice
ऐसे
about it.
बाल बहुत पसंद है जैसे लग रहा है, लेकिन मैं तो hair flips.
All right.
आपको भी लगता है आपको बाल बहुत पसंद है। आपने ऐसे इसलिए तो लेट आए थे, आप 2 घंटे से अपने बाल बना रहे थे। चलो आगे बढ़ो।
Third, we have Himani.
Lonely swimmer.
Himani. Lonely swimmer.
Who gives these hashtags? Please. This better be helping me join the dots after I've seen the video.
Salman is already worried. He's like, yaar, lonely.
Run, get your head back. Yo. Oh, okay. Swimming कर रही है वो.
Hi, I'm Himani. I'm so tired of taking this swim all by myself. Because मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. और मैं तुम्हारी भी बन सकती हूँ. Because I'm so hyperactive and all over the place. So क्या इरादा है? चले swim पे.
सलमान स्विमिंग आती है?
आती तो नहीं है सर, लेकिन सीख लूंगा।
हाँ।
बचा लेगी तेरे को।
आज तक मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि स्विमिंग का कोई फायदा है, लेकिन अब सीख लूंगा सर, सीख लूंगा।
सीख लूंगा सर।
नहीं, रन माय थिंग इज डिफरेंट। यहाँ पे तो डूबने का भी है ना फायदा। वो डूबते डूबते डूबे हुए सलमान को भी बचा लेगी।
I mean, she looks very good at swimming anyway.
But where was the swimming?
What? Okay, let's go to the next one. The thing is, जितनी ज़्यादा हम बात करेंगे उतने ज़्यादा ये भूलता चला जाएगा. So we have to make sure that he is focused. Fourth, we have Nidhi. याद रखना सलमान, out of these 10, you have to only take 6 girls ahead. Nidhi. Oh wow.
I'm a shop of it doll who loves to shop at a mall. I hope we can create this connection so that I can give you a call. Hi, my name is Nidhi. I'm 23 from Delhi. I'm a content creator and मैं content बनाती हूँ DIYs पे, baking, fashion and fitness पे. So if you will be my date, I promise to never be late and open my heart's gate. So what's the wait? तो थामो मेरा हाथ अगर जीतना हो साथ.
Oh wow. Rhyming queen.
Yeah.
are you going to open your heart's gate, Salman?
जी सर, वो तो टाइम ही बताएगा सर.
All right.
Time ज़्यादा नहीं है सलमान, जल्दी जल्दी सोच.
हाँ सोच रहा हूँ मैम, एक साथ सोच रहा हूँ.
All right. Fifth, we have Niharika.
I'm the medicine that you needed all your life. अब जब मैं यहाँ हूँ, so let me research how to feel your vibe. मैं prescribe करूँगी वो drug that'll make you wanna rhyme. This is Niharika and I'm full of life and also freaking fine.
I mean, you definitely need a doctor by
did
your
you
side.
see it, Salman?
I feel a little feverish too, so I mean I would.
तो फिर तो डॉक्टर की जरूरत पड़ेगी ना. चलो.
All right. Sixth, we have Zainab.
I'm a very soft-spoken person, but if you trigger me, I might lose my temper. I'm learning kickboxing. I love dancing, just for fun.
Yeah.
All right. Zainab ka, were you able to see the full video, Salman?
No, it got cut बीच में से sir.
Ah, see, she's left you wanting for more.
Do you want more? Do you want to see this again?
I mean, she's worked quite hard on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me figure this out. We'll put this video again. Zainab, basically, she's learning kickboxing and boxing, and anyways, there's a doctor in the mix. So just in case she practices her boxing, you have a doctor. All right. So I'm trying to get the video back again, Zainab's video, so that बाद में आप ये नहीं बोलो कि यार मेरे को select करना था, मैंने video नहीं देखा. There'll be no excuse that we leave. Salman, you're taking notes, huh? Good. Make your notes. Neha, even this guy, Kevin, the first day, he had his notebook. He was writing everything, what he liked about one girl or not. Was he vibing? What was he vibing? What was the common thing and all that? And I think that's important because...
But I think, man, the thing is, the ones that stay in your head without the notebook are the ones to go with.
क्या बात है हाँ ब्रदर, टिकट ऑलरेडी बुक है.
भारी सर, भारी.
हाँ
भारी, एकदम भारी.
ऑलराइट. क्योंकि
क्या भारी?
I mean, like she looks like she has a very strong, opinionated person. She seems to be fun. She seems to be outspoken.
Lovely. All right. Seventh, we have Padmini. इतनी पढ़ाई तो इसमें मुझे लगता है सलमान ने कभी भी नहीं, स्कूल में भी नहीं की.
सलमान सुन, तू सुन नहीं रहा, तू समझ.
जो मैंने ये डांस किया अभी, ये मैंने सिर्फ आपके लिए किया because I think if we go together, we're gonna be double fire on this show. You can dance on my tune and I can dance on your tune like I just did right now. So I really want to be
together. Mwah.
You ready to dance on her tunes, Salman?
I mean, I'll try keeping up with that, sir.
I'll try. हर एक चीज का वो I'll try keeping up. I'll try keeping up. Salman, अभी बस 10 सेकंड बाकी है तेरे पास. I mean, literally, when he tells you to come from 10 to 6, you're going to be in trouble. I think all these girls are amazing.
मुश्किल होने वाला है इसके लिए.
या तो सबके 10 लोगों के नंबर लिए और
हम करें क्या, सभी तो अच्छी लग रही हैं.
Alright, 8th we have Bhavya. Oh, Miss Influencer.
Is she going to influence you now,
पहले भी तो
Salman? वो कंटेंट क्रिएटर थी ना, forgetting her name.
हाँ.
अनन्या क्या था?
DIY.
Anita.
DIY video.
Well done, Salman. I was testing you. Did well. मैंने नाम भूल गई थी. सलमान को फटाफट उसने मेरे को नाम बता दिया.
I take notes, ma'am.
Good.
Your head. What? दिमाग से सोचता है कि दिल से सोचता है कि दोनों से सोचता है ना?
And we have Bhavya's video now. Salman, क्या expect कर रहे हो यार?
Miss Influencer है. I mean, she should be flamboyant, I bet. Flashy.
Okay.
Also, it'll be an interesting video to watch.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Because influencers put in more, they put in more effort. They know, they have the experience of making videos. They
Yeah.
know what looks good, what doesn't. They're creative with it. I'm actually expecting a creative video if she's an influencer. Why not? Right?
I hope to get influenced by it. So let's see, sir.
हाँ, but ऐसा भी होता है, ज़्यादा expect भी नहीं करना चाहिए ना हम. पर आज तो मतलब the situation is such, 10 लड़कियां, उसमें से 6 को select करना, फिर 3, फिर 1. सलमान, बेस्ट ऑफ लक मैन. मैं आपके लिए थोड़ा सा नर्वस हो रहा हूँ because अभी
I thought you were going to help me out.
नहीं, just by making you more nervous. I keep reminding you how tough it is going to be. Let's have Bhavya's video.
सिलेक्ट करना तुम्हारे हाथ में है. I am Bhavya. I'm an influencer by profession, जो तुम्हें इन्फ्लुएंस करके ही छोड़ेगी, and a dancer जो सबको इशारों पर नचाएगी. So what's your answer? Let's have our first drink together.
Okay.
Simple. At least she
Simple.
stuck to the point.
Simple. सीधा.
एकदम straightforward. एकदम बोल दिया सर उसने.
Also, I think this is the first one to pay you a compliment. I think वो 9 लड़कियां होगी, अभी तक किसी ने handsome नहीं बोला आपको, तो.
I mean, I'll take it.
Yeah, it counts for something. Must take the compliment.
I will take it for sure.
Lovely. 9th, we have Shivali.
Hot chocolate.
हाँ ब्रदर, मेरे को ऐसा एक दिन ऐसा दिख रहा है जहाँ पे स्विम कर रहा है, किक बॉक्सिंग कर रहा है, फिर डॉक्टर इसका ख्याल रख रही है, फिर कोई हॉट चॉकलेट पिला रही है, फिर इसकी डांस क्लास हो रही है, then he's dancing on somebody's tunes. Imagine it. Okay, Shivali.
मगर मेरी कमजोरी है चॉकलेट. आई लव चॉकलेट. मगर मेरी जिंदगी में कोई तुम्हारे जैसा आए तो चॉकलेट को कभी तक साया भी नहीं पड़ने दूंगी. Because I love chocolate bar. Hi, my name is Shivali Rajput and I'm a fashion star. मुझे फ्रेंड्स बनाना बहुत पसंद है और मैं अपनी चॉइसेस के साथ लॉयल रहती हूँ.
That's a good point, yeah. Loyalty is important for you, Salman?
I mean, it's important for every relationship, I think. No matter what, if you're friends with someone, if you're dating someone, I think loyalty is always important, sir.
And chocolate?
That kind of comes above it.
All right. Okay. Last
Doctor?
10th, we have Lisa.
दिल्ली की damsel. Damn.
हे, मेरा नाम एलिजा है, मैं 23 साल की हूँ एंड मेरा लाइफ में एक ही फन है, जो करो दिल खोल कर करो, चाहे प्यार, लड़ाई, गुस्सा, और मैं वही करती हूँ। एंड आफ्टर ऑल दिल्ली वालों का दिल तो मुझे बहुत बड़ा होता है। Shall we do this together?
Okay.
I love her confidence.
Yeah. Have you ever?
I love the fact that all talking straight up, huh? It's like direct proposals coming to you. Unless this is a common fact on Splitsvilla. I mean, you're right. Confidence is just like top in all the girls.
Yeah.
For sure, for sure.
कभी have you ever dated a girl from Delhi? कोई दिल्ली वाली लड़की के साथ कभी?
हाँ हुआ है सर, थोड़े टाइम रह चुका हूँ दिल्ली में रह चुका हूँ। दिल्ली वाली लड़कियां बड़ी बदमाश होती है ना सर।
Oh. All right. So, Salman, you've seen the intro of all the girls, 10 girls. This is all about vibe at first sight. किसके साथ आपने vibe किया, थोड़ा connect किया. It's time to find out. So, what we're going to do is, एक time पर दो लड़कियां screen पर आएंगी. You won't be able to talk to them, but you will be able to see them live. कि अभी आपने सिर्फ videos देखा था, and then you have to tell us whether who you're vibing with and who you're not. Okay? Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's get two girls at a time, and then you have to tell us who you were vibing with more. And you can also when you're telling us why you're vibing with this girl more, tell us something about her that you liked, you know, that when you were vibing at first sight, or some good quality that you saw in her, or something that you said कि इसकी वजह से मैं आगे इनके साथ ज़्यादा interact करना चाहता हूँ. All right, now we're going to get two girls on your screen, and then you have to tell us. Let's get Rashmi and Anayata.
Can we help him a little bit with the decision or no?
100% you can help him as much as you want.
That's only if you need our help, Salman.
No, I thought
this is Salman का है, पर नेहा can help.
यहाँ तो जब नेहा मैम मुझे हेल्प करेंगी तो डिसीजन हमारा होगा.
Yeah. All right. Salman, now you'll be looking at the girls side by side. But ये नहीं है कि आपको 10 में से 5 select करनी है. So there can be a time when you'd like both of them, or there could be a time when you don't like both of them or don't vibe with both of them. So it's up to you.
He can't go less than 6, right? He has to select 6.
Has to take 6 to the next round. Then second round के बाद, then we'll cut to 3 and then 2 and then 1. But right now,
really stayed in your head.
I mean, I'm waiting to see them again.
In your heart, sorry, in your heart.
I use both, so I think I can see them properly.
Sweet.
Actually, when he sees them live now, what happens sometimes, you see a different person, because the video is recorded, you prepared for it. Here, sometimes you see somebody live and you like the vibe there also. It can change stuff. Somebody is looking different. Somebody's
very important point, क्योंकि वो वीडियो उन्होंने टेक किया होगा, रीटेक किया होगा, फिर बोला होगा कि ऐसे करो, नहीं दिखाओ, and then boom, असलियत. So let's go with like top 6 on असलियत now.
ऐसा लगता है.
Oh, they can't say anything now.
All right. They can't say anything. You can only look at them. They can help you by not saying anything, but just.
Salman?
Anji?
What are their names?
Rashmi and Anayata?
Yeah, Rashmi and Anayata. So, Salman, decision time. They can see you, by the way. They can see you. They can see us. They're saying hi. That's so cute with that little stuffed toy.
I love the toy. I love the toy.
Yeah. They can hear us, by the way. They can hear us. What is she doing? What is she saying?
Let's go for coffee.
What if Salman at this point goes like, no, but I want hot chocolate. That's it.
I mean, that's really, really cute. I mean,
Yeah.
both of them put like, they had loads and loads of confidence. They put a lot of effort into their videos. I mean, both
Okay.
of them deserve to be. But I feel like I vibed with Rashmi more than Anayata for some reason.
So, what is your decision?
I would say yes to Rashmi.
Oh, Rashmi. And what about Anayata?
She's really adorable. She's really creative, but I think I will go with Rashmi with this one for this one.
Okay, Anayata, thank you. So next round.
Damn, I was just about to tell you someone you could go with both, but then
Bye to someone.
I mean, you could have said that while it was going on.
I was just saying it. I didn't know that it's going to go away so soon. I like both of them. Nudge, come on, Nudge, run. He's got the controls in his hand.
Yeah, but Salman, but that's what I said. There could be times when you like when you vibe with both the girls, and you can choose that because at the end of the day, you've made your notes. I think he's smart enough, and ये पहली बार थोड़ा ना कर रहा है. He's been to he's done reality shows. He's a reality boy, and he knows. So he's already देख लिया.
Go ahead, Ram, sorry.
To be honest, it was Rashmi's smile. That's the reason.
Oh, good. Chalo.
Okay.
Should we move on to the next two girls?
Let's go. I'm excited.
All right, let's have the next two girls on our screen. Himani and Nidhi. Let's get Himani and Nidhi. You remember who Himani and Nidhi were, Salman?
Yes, I remember. Hi, Himani. Hi, Nidhi.
यार ये smart है क्योंकि because they couldn't say anything, at least they've written stuff and they're doing.
The choose me with the hearts is also really adorable. No, Himani, I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
I don't think you need to say sorry to her right now because you can't hear her. She knows that. You'll just have to say sorry to the one you don't select, unless you select both. But I don't know. I'm not helping you with this decision. Raj, the part that you were saying that let's see who's better, or once they come on the screen, I honestly think that we've seen 4 of them, and they're all translating even better as compared to the videos.
In live, yes. When you see live and you interact, it's even better. That's why we're doing this. So Salman, I know it's difficult, but Himani or Nidhi or both, or who are you vibing with more? Because at the end of the day,
in this one, I'm gonna break no hearts, sir. I'm gonna go with both of them. I really like both of them.
Yay!
Yay!
Congratulations, Himani.
Nidhi and Himani, I like both of them, so I'm gonna go with both.
You're vibing with both of them. Congratulations to both of you. We're going to see you in the next round. Well done. Wow, this is nice. Now, this is a nice thing, man. Salman, you could select both, but you've already selected 3. Ab aage, it's 50% of the selection for this round has happened. It's going to get.
But now the thing is that one way or the other, he'll have to keep dropping one. Now he's not left that for the future rounds.
Yeah. So why did you select both of them, Salman?
So at first, I was a little bit, to be very honest, I was a little bit dicey with Nidhi. But then after that, when I saw her on the live and it was more candid and I kind of just liked her suddenly and I was like, okay, let's just be spontaneous about it and go for it.
Okay, next, Arika and Zainab. Arika and Zainab. Arika and Zainab. There they are.
Tough call, buddy. Tough call.
What is that? What is she written?
Your GPS.
Oh.
GPS
shows this as your location.
Oh, nice. So that's smart.
I mean, this is a really tough choice, sir. Destination reached. She had an entire thing done. Damn.
Unless you show her a page that says rerouting.
I mean, on
Arika
this,
or Zainab?
You're so stuck, Salman. You're so stuck. I feel
ये
I've seen
जैसे
your pain. I know what you're going through. They're both so sweet and cute and adorable.
जैसे ही इसने उन दोनों लड़कियों को पहले सिलेक्ट किया, मैंने कहा अब आगे देखना है इसकी क्या हाल होने वाला है।
बिल्कुल ठीक है, आप फंस गए हैं ये बहुत बुरी तरह से।
Oh my God,
You need to go back. You need to reroute to the earlier pages.
I wouldn't be able to do this, man. Salman.
I know.
I'm just gonna have some water.
हाँ नहीं, please, गला सूख गया है तुम्हारा। Okay, Salman.
So this one's like super
Got
dicey.
water for you.
That's sweet, thank you. But I don't think any more water is gonna help me out with the decision. But I'm gonna go with Erica for this one.
Oh, Zainab, hard luck, Zainab. So sorry. But thank you so much for being here. Best of luck. Take care. Congratulations, Erica. Yes, destination reached. Oh, wow.
Well, not yet.
Not for me.
Salman, how difficult was that, yeah, to make that decision?
It got even more difficult, sir, क्योंकि मैंने इससे पहले, because I chose both of them, and these two lovely ladies were even more lovelier, and like all of them, I just didn't know. But for some reason, I went with my gut feeling.
You know, it's okay, Salman. In any case, go move forward and keep like bringing the number down. So don't feel so bad about it. Let's just see the next.
You're making sure I feel even more bad about it in the next round.
Just reminding you,
You know,
it's going to get harder. It doesn't get any easier.
On your screen, Padmini and Bhavya. Hi, girls. We know you can't hear us, but you can, with your gestures, express what you're feeling right now. You can ask him to pick you. And Salman, you have to take your decision.
Padmini and Bhavya. Both of them were really interesting. But I only have another two choices to make.
Yes.
इनके
बाद दो girls और हैं, दो singles और हैं, उनमें से भी आपको, I mean, you can choose.
So,
come on, Salman.
For this one, I'm really sorry, ladies. I'm really sorry, but I'm not gonna choose either of them.
Is that an option?
What? You sure?
I mean,
which means
I will have to say, Salman, okay, at some places you have your math right, and at some places you had your math so wrong, it's unbelievable. Like you're so off, and then everything. I know.
My life has always been unpredictable.
Which will also mean that if this decision sticks, if you don't select, if you're not vibing with both of them, then the next two automatically will come in.
Yes, right.
Oh wow! So Padmini and Bhavya, this is Salman's decision. I mean, we can tell him what to do. He can pick one. Salman, you can reconsider, but you got to finally tell me if this is your final decision. Then we'll have to
give me a minute, sir. Like a minute. Just give me a minute.
Okay, your minute starts now. Go for it. Oh, कितना पानी पी लिया बेचारा, इतना नर्वस कभी नहीं हुआ लाइफ में।
वो नोट्स का है जो इतने बैठ के अपने पेन पेपर निकाल के नोट्स बना रहा था। मैंने तेरे को बोला था नोट्स मत बना।
काम तो आ नहीं रहा है मैम, अब वो नोट्स भी काम नहीं आ रहे।
तो वही तो, वो नोट्स इस राउंड के लिए चाहिए थे तेरे को। अब ये इस राउंड के लिए नोट्स बना के तू अगले राउंड में लेके जाए। हर जगह ये वही तो ना। This is the problem.
Okay, but Salman, at the end of the day, the decision is yours. क्योंकि अभी तो ये 6 है, उसके बाद 3, 2, 1 भी होना है. So all the girls will not win, only one girl will win. So whatever, decide करो, but we gotta move on. Decide. One, will it be Will it be
I think
Bhavya, Padmini, or no one? And as soon as you say no one, you need to understand the other two girls will just be jumping. But if you
Shivali
say,
and Aliza. Shivali and Aliza, if I remember perfectly.
oh,
So,
Oh, याद है.
but I think, sir, I think I'm gonna stick to it. I'm gonna pass on this one.
oh, so the next
Oh, Salman.
the next two are Rashmi and Nidhi, but Padmini and Bhavya, thanks for being here.
Thank
Salman,
you so much. I'm so sorry. You ladies are lovely if you can hear me.
But you know, this is what you say because Salman ने इतने सारे
the
reality
next
shows
two girls
already
are
कि उसका जो experience है वो हमें पता चलेगा. You know, when we see the other two girls, we know that he knows exactly what he's talking about.
yeah, because one is Miss Influencer and the other dance to her tune. So Salman wants to do that. So let's meet Miss Influencer and dance to her tune, Rashmi and Nidhi. And your 5 choices are automatically made, Salman, because those two girls will, those 6 choices are made. They'll all be in the second round. How do you feel right now?
Like an asshole, if I can say that.
Why?
I didn't want to hurt any of those girls. All of them look lovely. All of them look lovely.
I have a question, Salman. Why are you feeling like this? Or because of
I mean,
who? Like,
I know it's the process, but I didn't want to break any hearts.
No, there's this one person who you wish that, oh damn, I wish I didn't have to drop her. Who is that one?
It would be Zainab.
All right, let's just meet Shivali and Eliza. They know, I'm sure as soon as they come, they'll know that they've been they're already made it to the next round. But let's just see the reaction, Shivali and Eliza. And if they don't know, you can tell them. You know, you can tell them when we see what they look like.
It would make me feel a little better after the last round.
And what if you see them and you're like, oh man, maybe you know the girl that I let go.
नहीं ये तो ना हो पाएगा सर.
All right, Shivali and Eliza, you're going to see them on your screen next.
Maybe they're just so excited that they're like, "Ab tum select ho gaya, why nahi rahe hum?"
Yeah, maybe they saw the thing and they're like, "Acha, hum select ho gaye, chalo, let's just get ready for round 2."
Yeah, thoda relax kar lete hain. Let's just prepare. Maybe Salman, if you take their names, they will show up on the screen. Come on.
I hope so, Shivali and Eliza. I hope I break the news to you.
So, Salman, but Shivali and Eliza are already selected. Who are the other 4 girls? Do you know the names of the 6 girls that are actually going to the next round? You want to?
It's Rashmi and it's Himani, Nidhi, and it's Erica, I think. Erica. No, I mean, like, I'm a little confused with the name. It's Erica.
Erica actually was the hardest decision. You were just like, give me some more time, give me some more time.
Yeah. And I didn't choose any after that, so I have 2 left now. So.
Okay, so basically, let me tell you the 6 girls: Rashmi, Nidhi, Himani, Erica, Shivali, and Eliza are the 6 girls who have reached the second round. And I guess we should just move on to the second round because you don't need to see them to see if they're vibing. They're already automatically there. So, do you know what the second round is? Neha?
No, Ran, why don't you fill us in?
It's a very interesting round. It's called No More or No More. मतलब या तो No More आप और इनके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं या No More आप इनके बारे में और कुछ नहीं जानना चाहते. हाँ? You know, the next step to a successful date is to dig deeper to know someone. So this round is all about getting to know more until he says no more. What easy.
Okay. So Salman gets to say no more?
Yeah.
Or no
more?
Say
no more or no more, both. He gets
to
okay. 6 singles. इस राउंड में क्वालिफाई जिन्होंने किया है उनको एक चांस मिलेगा टू ग्रैब सलमान अटेंशन थ्रू एन एंटरटेनमेंट फेस ऑफ. बोथ दी सिंगल्स विल बी ऑन द स्क्रीन टुगेदर एंड ये एक दूसरे को टक्कर देंगी एंड दे हैव टू एंटरटेन सलमान विद देयर स्किल्स इन जस्ट 1 minute. After both the performances are over, Salman will obviously give his decision and we will make it easy for him because he'll have to make the decision on the spot. Salman,
we'll help you, Salman. We'll help you.
Yeah.
Like you've been helping me in the last round.
I did say it. I did say it. I did not want you to like break any hearts, but you have to. But this time, okay, we just go with. Just tell me the criteria, Salman. Is it pretty cute, smart, intelligent, or just
Salman,
basis on entertainment?
If you find them fun.
I think, Ram, we lost you somewhere. You
So
said if you
what
find
I'm trying to say is, Salman, if you find somebody interesting and want to know, yeah, if you find them fun, Salman, then you can show the placard of No More, which is KNOW more. But if you are not feeling a connection and then you don't want to take that girl any further, you can say No More, which is NO, and which means कि 6 में से 3 लड़कियां आप select करेंगे for the next round. Are you ready? Entertainment. Neha, this is your favorite part of any show, I think. You love the entertainment part of all the shows.
Not on the other side. I like what Salman is doing. Watching.
I'm not feeling very great about the decisions, though.
Sorry?
I'm not feeling very great about the decisions, though.
Why?
Okay, no, I'm going to help you on the side. I'm going to write.
I really need it.
Okay, Salman.
I don't know. Can you read this? No. And now how do I? Okay, I'm going to write.
Okay, it's going to be easy because they're going to be on the screen together, going up against each other. You have to select one out of the 2. First up are Rashmi and Nidhi.
I've got my hand, Salman, to help you. I've written no and no.
All right. Ready?
Ready, sir.
Ready or not, here I come. Come on.
Rashmi and Nidhi, and then they will. This time you'll be able to talk to them, and there they are. Hi, Nidhi. Hi, Rashmi.
Hi.
Hi, Nidhi. Hi, Rashmi. How are you?
And hi, Salman.
Hello. You girls look amazing.
Hi, you look amazing.
I
Thank
like
you so much.
the hoodie that you're wearing.
Oh, thank you so much. I would prefer you like my face as well, but I'll go with the hoodie.
Yeah, you've done it, your hair looks pretty good,
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
Thank you.
Girls, obviously, first of all, congratulations for making it into the second round. This round is all about entertainment. कि आप 1 minute में कैसे सलमान को या सबको entertain कर सकते हो, and you can show your fun side or the skills that you have. So we're going to start with and you're going up against each other. One of you is going to go to the next round.
Okay.
Okay.
Nidhi or Rashmi, who will it be? Who wants to go first, and what is it that you want to do?
Salman, choose.
Yeah, choose.
क्या बात है सलमान.
Wow, Nidhi's like.
After all, उनका टाइम है and उनका टाइम है, then उनको चूज करना चाहिए कि पहले वो किसको देखना चाहेंगे कि कौन entertain करेगा.
I will go with Nidhi first.
Nidhi.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay. Then I started.
क्या करने वाले हैं?
Like somehow acting and Shinchan mimicry.
Okay. Ready? Whenever you're ready,
Yeah.
go for it.
Mm.
Be careful.
I really hope so.
साहिब आलम, आपका आपकी रोशनी तो अंधेरों को रोशन करती है. आज उन्हें आप प्रभु ने इस अंधेरे से मिलने की ख्वाहिश करी है. नहीं साहिब आलम, प्लीज गुस्ताखी मत कीजिए. प्लीज आप मुझसे दूर ही रहिए साहिब आलम. ये हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. प्लीज चले जाइए यहाँ से. This is, I mean, ये अनारकली की एक्टिंग थी.
Interesting choice of words. Interesting choice of words.
Also, Shinchan mimicry. Oh, master. So, एक मिनट इसमें.
Go for it.
आज तो मॉम ने राइस केक बनाया है. I'm so excited. मुझे तो राइस केक बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. मास्टर साहब मैम को मैं घर लेके जाऊंगा और वो जब पापा से मिलेंगी तो वो बहुत एक्साइटेड हो जाएंगी. पर हीमा मारी हमेशा अपने डायपर पे सुसु कर देती है. आज तो मैं उसका डायपर भी चेंज नहीं करूंगा. And if you want some or entertainment, then I can dance also.
Okay, I think your 1 minute is up. We're going to move to Rashmi. Rashmi, what are you going to do?
So I've written something for you. I hope you like it. It's a shairi that I've written.
Okay.
Okay, so here I go. यूं तो हर शख्स, हर चेहरा खूबसूरत है, पर कुछ है जो उसमें अलग है, खास है, बात औरों सी नहीं, जिक्र भी आसान कैसे हो, वो सलमान है तो कोई और फिर सलमान कैसे हो. Did you like it? Did you like it?
I think it was really sweet.
I actually.
क्या बात है यार, सलमान.
I would like it a lot. I can dance also if you want.
I would love to if there's time.
Wow.
Sure. Okay.
If you want to dance, yeah, okay, you can dance, but we'll play the music, okay? So you get ready and we'll play the music.
I'm ready.
Okay, get ready. All right, let's play the music. Cue music. Okay, Salman, you've got enough time. You vibed with these two girls. They are here. Now it's time to figure out who do you want to know more and who you don't want to see no more. Okay? Nidhi और रश्मि से एक लड़की आगे जाएंगी to the next round. And आपके पास supply cards हैं. Ready? You want to ask, like, are you ready, Neha? You want to ask Neha for her views, her inputs?
I am. She had the card also. What did you think, Neha, man?
No, I'm not showing you. These are this side of my palm. You're only going to see when you're in a lot of trouble. So I'll help you out then. I think Abhi Salman, आपने अपना mind already make up कर लिया है. So go with it. Because your head and your heart, I know, is focused a little more towards one person. मेरे को आप जब उनको देख भी रहे थे समझ आ रहा था. Go with your gut.
क्या बात है नेहा? आप तो अंतर्यामी निकली.
You could have done that in the last round as well. You could have done the same thing in the last round as well. You could have helped me out the same way.
But we will get there. But now let's cross this bridge and just
Salman,
cross it safely. Salman, I'm holding your hand. Come here. I'm holding your hand. My arms have the arms.
अब आगे जो मदद मिल रही है उसको देखो. चलो. So Salman, who do you want to know more and who do you want to see no more of?
I'd like to know more of Rashmi.
Oh, congratulations, Rashmi! और
Thank
निधि,
you.
Really sorry, Nidhi. I mean, you're really pretty. You're amazing. And if I had a choice, I would choose you both. But I can only choose one. So I'm really sorry for that.
Are you okay,
Thank
Nidhi?
you so much. Okay.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you so much for being here, though. Thank you so much.
You look beautiful.
Thank you so much.
And congratulations,
Thank you.
Rashmi.
Thank you.
Rashmi,
Thank you very
congratulations.
much.
You go to the next round.
Thank you.
एक line में बताओ, how does it feel right now?
Oh my god, I'm super excited. I was so nervous before coming. You know, I was telling my cousin, I'm like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? And she's like, Rashmi, calm down. You're just gonna be fine. And I was like, okay, let's just go.
Nice. Let's go with the flow. Rashmi, congratulations. You're going to the next round. We will see you there. Well done,
Thank you
Salman.
very much.
I know it was not easy, but I think the decision was sound because, you know, just ke zara, we'll see Rashmi later in the next round. For now, Salman, what was it about Rashmi that made you choose her? What about the entertainment part did you like more? What was it, the poetry? Because that was personal, right? She actually.
I mean, the poetry was really cute and also, but she just has this vibe to it, which seems really sweet about it and all, and she seems you know, really sweet. I don't know, her smile caught me.
Really like your hoodie now. I think अगर वो आगे चले जाए आपके साथ सीजन में तो ये hoodie उनको पक्का दे देना.
हाँ.
ये तो दे दूंगा.
और I think she's an easygoing person, chilled out, and you would like to know.
Laid back.
Obviously, you'd like to know more about her, right? Because she was like chilled out. So I think it was an easy pick in this one. And now, do you think the next one's going to be as easy? We'll find out. The next two. And Himani. Best of luck, brother.
Hello.
Hi, how are you, Imani? How are you, Erica?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm doing amazing. You ladies look lovely.
Thank you.
Hi.
मुझे एक चीज बोलनी थी. मैं शो देख रही हूँ,
Imani.
जब से मैं इन्वॉल्व हुई हूँ उसमें.
Imani, you have to unmute yourself.
We can't hear
Imani,
you.
you have to unmute yourself. Yeah. Okay, go for it, girls.
Sorry. I
Erica,
said you look cute. I love your
Yeah,
smile.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
This is about Salman.
I was just saying that you know, I started watching the show ever since I got involved in the call, and I remember Ranvijay sir asked you, Salman ji, how do you feel? And then you said, I feel like an asshole. And then he asked you why, and then you had no answer. I have the answer why, because you are a kind person, and I really like the way you said it. I feel like an asshole for rejecting so many girls, but you're so kind, and that's why you said that. And that was the answer. And I just observed this and I wanted to say it came to my heart and I wrote something for you, which I will. So I'll let him proceed.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for making me feel better now.
It's okay.
All right.
And also
Imani.
thank you for like rating yourself a little higher on the scorecard. Number तो ले गई Erica.
Imani and Erica, आप दोनों को ये पता है कि you get this 1 minute to entertain Salman, where he will, if he finds you fun, he'll want to know more about you. But if he doesn't, he'll say no more. And only one of you can go further to the next round. Okay? कुछ prepare किया है? Do you know what you're going to do?
Yes. If you're asking me, I'm done. I'm prepared.
Okay. Imani?
Wow. Yeah, I just got something in mind. Just that's it.
Salman, who should we go with first?
Let's go with Erica first.
Thank you.
Okay.
So मैं यूएस में रहती हूँ, बट फिलहाल मैं इंडिया में हूँ और मैं नवाबों के शहर से हूँ. मैं लखनऊई हूँ. तो लखनऊई अंदाज में मैंने खुद की एक शायरी लिखी है. तो अर्ज किया है, इत्तेफाकन मुलाकात ही सही, इत्तेफाकन मुलाकात ही सही, उनका दीदार तो हुआ. इत्तेफाकन मुलाकात ही सही, उनका दीदार तो हुआ. अल्फाज भले ही ना निकले हो जुबान से, अल्फाज भले ही ना निकले हो जुबान से, पर इकरार तो हुआ.
क्या बात है.
उसके अलावा
क्या बात है.
मैं और उसके अलावा Thank you so much. और इसके अलावा since I live in US, I started listening to a lot of like pop music, R&B and stuff. So I'm good with like writing stuff as well. So I wrote something. It's not like very well finished song, but I'm gonna sing it anyway. So here we go. Sorry if it bothers your ears, but I'm gonna go. Okay. Boy, you got me vibing in a vibe. I've been drawing hearts on my drive. You'll be flexing back on those lame ass guys. I'll be telling girls though, you're my date for the night. Oh well, so girls, go your home and sleep tuck and tight, cause he is mine. I'm
Wow.
nervous.
So creative.
I'm nervous.
It was really nice.
So clear and also so territorial, which is great.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's basically because I'm also an influencer. I have over 350K followers on my social media, and
Oh,
then
wow.
I realized I do have a gift, and why not use it? Why not just why just become a doctor and research scientist and just read? Why not make content and connect with people? So I started doing that, and just because I saw Salman, I stalked Salman on Instagram last night. Sorry. So I wrote something by looking at his Instagram post. So just 2 lines. It goes like this: Muscles hai tight, और दिल है मासूम. खुदा की कसम, क्या चीज हो तुम.
क्या बात है.
क्या बात है एरिका. नंबर पे नंबर आप तो स्कोर कर ही जा रहे हैं, which is amazing.
हाँ, मैंने
very prepared,
क्लियर कर लिया इसीलिए.
But I like that,
स्कोरिंग
Erica.
मेरी अच्छी है.
I like that about you, that you leave no stone unturned, and आपने research भी की, आपने लिखा भी, और आपने अपने आप को you've expressed yourself and you're creative. So I like that. Now
Thank you.
let's move on to Himani. Salman.
So guys, I'm extremely sorry. My laptop, it's not supporting StreamYard somehow, so I'm just operating from the phone. So I don't know.
We can see you. We can see
you.
Yes, we can.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We can see
Very
you. What are you gonna do?
So I'm gonna dance on Pinsra.
Okay, so we'll play the music from here.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Sorry, I couldn't perform because of the screen.
Good job. What did you think of it, Erica? What did you think of Himani's dance?
I love the choice of song. It's very nice, and I think it was very pleasant to watch her dance. And yeah, she's a sweet girl.
Oh, that's
I
nice.
also like the fact that Erica was also grooving along, and that she was also
Yeah, I
having fun
can't stop.
watching Himani. मतलब आपको देखकर, although both of you are in competition, but Erica was a big sport और वो enjoy कर रही थी आपका performance बहुत ज़्यादा.
Definitely, definitely.
Himani,
Yeah.
what do you think of your? What do you think? You made an impression on Salman.
I guess so because laptop kharab hone ki wajah se I somehow tried. I was not able to come online. And then so struggle hua. But somehow I made it. So
Salman,
happy to show some moves.
Salman, if you
I thought Himani would say, what do you think? You made an impression on Salman. Himani be like, yeah, I think so because Salman didn't blink.
Salman, दोनों के बारे में before you make the decision, if you to say one line, what would it be?
So Erica is really someone, I feel like she puts a lot into everything she does, the way she is and how she's put so much effort into it and everything. She seems really sweet. She seems really outspoken, and I mean, she's up for the experience. She seems really nice. Himani seems like she's a little nervous, but she did lovely. I love the dance, and she seems confident. I think she just needs to gel in. And yeah, I like both of them. They were really nice.
Like is okay, but who would you like to know more, or who would you not want to see no more?
Think, Salman. Think.
It's tough.
I'll have some water again.
Yeah.
So I
We
mean,
can't name anyone and help him out, right?
You can help him out. Neha, you can do whatever you want. It's up to you.
No. I don't want to be breaking any rules and all of that.
No. I wanna know what you're thinking though. I wanna know.
I mean, I have a favorite between the two. Like who I would like to see on Splitsvilla and on TV and try and get to know her better. Just, and see how she would vibe with people. But depends on whether you want me to give you that name.
Why? Can I ask them? Can I talk to them? Erica and Himani.
Depending on this, what you saw is how you have to decide. If you want to talk to them, that means you want to know more. That's exactly what the decision is.
Okay, so but if
जिससे भी तेरे को बात करने की ज्यादा चाह है, जिससे भी तुझे और बातें पूछनी है, that's the exact round. You want to know more about her. Which one of these two girls is the one that you want to know more about?
Out of both of them are lovely, absolutely lovely ladies. But unfortunately, I have to choose one. So I would like to know more of Himani. I'd like to know more of Himani.
Thank you.
I feel like there's more to her. I feel like there's a lot more to her than she shows right now. I think there's a lot more to her than she shows right now. So I think she has a lot of potential. And Erica, you're really lovely. You're really lovely, darling. And I'm really sorry for this because I had to make a choice. If I could, I'd pick you both, but I can't. There's no hard feelings. I'm really sorry.
Erica, thanks a lot for being part of this. You're amazing. Hope to see you soon. Take care.
Yeah, Erica.
Bye.
I mean, I would have raised no more, like get to know you more. But you're amazing, Himani. Totally deserve it. Salman's choice. Well done, girls.
Congratulations, Himani. You go to the next round, and Salman wants to know more about you. So maybe there are things about you that he doesn't know, and wants to get to know. So, कई बार ऐसा भी होता है, don't give too much information. You leave people wanting for more, and that's why he probably wants to know more about you. Okay.
I'm looking forward to talk to him.
All right. Well done, Salman. I know that was tough, but the next two girls are going to come up on your screen now, and Shivali and Eliza. Shivali and Eliza on your screen. What, bro? That was tough. And Neha.
Neha was
Neha was being Erica for sure. I could see that.
I was Team Erica all the way. You know, the thing about Himani is that Splitsvilla, all of that is great, but somewhere you need to, like, you know, Run also says audience nowadays because of digital, ye wo, audience ka itna farak padta hai. And as a viewer, I would want to see Erica more because we've seen so many girls who are like Himani on the show. That's my only thing. So that's why I would have fully gone with Erica. And she had so much more research. Ki to har ek cheez mein na, she would have gone into the depth and the detail of it. And, you know, I would have also had not just a sexy and hot approach, but she would have also had a very intellectual side to it. Not to say Himani is not this thing. My question to you was, Rashmi or Erica ke beech mein aap kisko choose karte? But then you dropped Erica, so it's fine. Salman?
I mean, happily. I'd like to know her more. So let's see. I mean, maybe she has that side that you're talking about in the other one.
चल अगले दो बुला जल्दी कर अभी.
Shivali and Eliza, please जल्दी से स्क्रीन पे आ जाओ. Save Salman for me, please.
Yes.
She's very disappointed with me.
And I want to think from my head and my heart, and I want to think from here, and I'm like, कुछ नहीं कर रहा है तू, कुछ नहीं कर रहा है. जहाँ पे बोलना होता है वहाँ नहीं बोलता है. हर जगह तू गड़बड़ कर रहा है.
Eliza is here. Hi, Eliza. Please unmute yourself.
Turn the microphone on.
Hi.
Hi, Eliza.
How are you?
Please make the most of this time before Shivali comes. This is it. You just make this time because till the time she doesn't come, we're not going to start.
How are you doing, all of you?
We're fine, thank you, Eliza. Just focus on Salman.
You look so cute, you
This
know.
round mein you're going up against Shivali.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going up against Shivali. She's not here, which is great because you can make a great impression before she comes. It's about entertaining Salman. You have 1 minute. You can talk about your skill. You can say something. You do whatever. What have you decided?
Be yourself.
So I have written a small poem around 8-9 lines, and also I love to act. So I would like to do a small act also. So should I go with the poem first?
Yeah, go for it.
Do both. Go for it. Yes.
Two souls don't find each other by simple accident. I saw you at that curve, and I knew I had to travel that bend. You are my good day and my sunshine's babe. My heart has conversations with you every day. Without you, my day feels blue. And every day, I think of you.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
Wow, what a poetry.
Okay. So in the 30 seconds I have left, do you want me to do an act or like a small dance, whatever, any of them?
Whatever you want to do, go for it. Whatever you're comfortable with, go for it.
Okay, I'll do my act. Okay, nothing scripted, like on the spot.
Done.
Raj, please मेरी बात सुनो. मैंने उसे कुछ नहीं बोला. Raj.
Can I stop you here? Can I stop you here?
Yeah.
Can you act while you're dancing?
But the song would be playing in the background, right?
No, just move
I can dance.
Can you act while you're dancing, Salman?
It's okay. I'll dance. That's fine.
Go for it.
You want to dance or you want to? So, do you want to dance without music or you want me to put music from here?
With music. Yeah. With
okay.
music.
All right. Get ready.
please.
Go for it. Go for it. We'd love to see it.
हो गया ना 30 seconds कब से चल रहे हैं इसके?
Yeah, हो गया. You 30 seconds, 1 minute, सब कुछ कर लिया. We should get Shivali on. There she is. Hi, Shivali.
Hi, Shivali.
Hello.
Hi, Shivali.
Shivali, in this round, you and Eliza are going against each other. Salman will decide who he wants to know more, किसके बारे में वो ज़्यादा जानना चाहते हैं, and who he doesn't want to see no more. So, you have 1 minute to entertain him, to say whatever you want to do whatever you want to, and that's it. Have you decided what you want to do?
But your voice is not clear.
It's clear. It's clear. We can see you. Neha, you have to unmute yourself.
Sorry.
Shivali ka man nahi hai. Shivali is back. She's like, why isn't it clear? She's a perfectionist, I think.
That's my chance. She left.
Eliza seems pretty happy about that.
Yeah, Eliza seems very happy about it, but she's not making the most of it.
These are kind of challenges that, you know.
And making your way up into the next round. That's what you need to do. That's why you're on screen. Make the most of it.
Yeah.
Sometimes,
So,
yeah.
I really want to know from you. I really like the fact that how you mentioned about loyalty being there in every relationship we have. But I really want to know from you, what else do you want to see in a girl whom you are dating and you're in a relationship with?
See, I'm a very easygoing guy. I like somebody who's outspoken, somebody who's smart, somebody who speaks their thoughts out, strong, opinionated. Just somebody who I can have fun with. I don't have any list of requirements. It's just a moment. Sometimes you click with someone, sometimes you don't. Everybody just seems amazing in their own ways.
And something you really dislike in somebody?
Not specifically. There's not anything that I really dislike in somebody if I see it or not. I'm a very open-minded person, so I like listening. I like knowing people for who they are. So I've always been an open-minded person when it comes to that.
बहुत फायदा उठा रहे हैं एलिजा आप फायदे मौके का.
आ गई शिवाली की एंट्री हो गई.
All right, Shivali, it's your time now.
Hi.
Take it away.
Yes.
आप क्या करेंगे 1 मिनट में एंटरटेन
Hello.
करने के लिए so that Salman can tell you guys who he wants to know more and who he wants no more of.
Your voice is breaking. Hi, actually,
Shivali, what
hi,
do you
my
do
name
to
is
entertain
Shivali,
Salman?
and मैं 1 minute.
Shivali, it's you have 1 minute to entertain Salman, and then between you and Eliza, he will decide who is going to the next round.
Of course, thanks to Shivali, Eliza got 20 minutes. Of course. शिवाली बड़ा इंतजार कर रहा है, शुरू कर दो यार अपनी एंटरटेनमेंट.
What do you want to do, Shivali?
I just want a free for 1 minute.
Yeah, I think net में कुछ problem है यार.
We also think कुछ problem है.
Just for that.
Did you freeze?
Let me say something very politically incorrect. Just
All
for
right.
that, let's bring Erica back.
All right. I think Salman, ये कई बार कहते हैं ना कि जो luck, fate, being at the right place at the right time, having better connection, better internet connection, or being somewhere really does matter. So, Salman, वैसे भी your choice is Eliza right now because she's there. But would she be your choice? Is she somebody that you want to know more?
I mean, I would. Can I switch back to someone in the past as well?
What?
Yeah, I mean,
My mic is muted.
I'm really sorry for this, Lisa, but so Shivali's out, and I would, if there's a chance, I'd like to bring, say, Erica.
Okay, let me try. Sorry, Eliza, but you have to put your placard up for Eliza. What is a placard?
For Lisa, it would be no more.
Oh, hard luck, Eliza. Thanks for being here. इतना time मिला आपको, Eliza. इतना time you asked some questions, and उसके बाद भी it didn't happen. All right, let's see if Erica is still there.
Eliza, you're amazing.
You're amazing, Eliza. I'm so sorry.
Let's see what Erica has to say if she's still there and not like gone because you broke her heart. If she's still there, it'll be too cute. Too cute.
And Salman, I mean, what a guy. जो उसने पहले बोला था ना, I feel like an asshole, and then she took up for you because, you know, deep down you're a good guy. I'm saying that about you as well. Like, deep down, you're a good guy. You're thinking from your head and heart. You've proved everything that you said from the beginning to now. If Erica comes back, this is it. You're a good guy. You're not an asshole.
You, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
She has to say yes now.
Neha.
Hi, Erica.
Hi. I'm just so emotional right now.
Don't be.
I love you, Neha,
Erica.
with all my heart.
Ka.
I cry.
Oh, shit, it's all you. Wow. Wow. Wow.
I was watching live, and you guys are so kind to me. Each and every one of you, Neha, ma'am, Ranvijay sir, and Salman, thank you so much. But I'm really emotional. I started watching Facebook Live, and I was like, all right, this is.
No, but that's your attitude.
Okay, 1 second. I removed my buds because I was like.
You didn't want to hear me at all.
I can hear you now. I can hear you. Sorry about that.
So you were really sweet, and you said some amazing things, and you seemed really genuine. So that's why I had to bring you back.
Thank you so much. Shukriya.
On top of it, her. She kind of is very strong.
No, I just saw her rooting for me on Facebook Live, and I was.
Yeah, and for some reason there was
Guys,
I felt like bringing you back.
Enough. We have time for all of this, but right now it's time for the next round.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Salman ji. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome back, Erica.
Welcome back, Erica.
Thank you, Ranvijay sir. Thank you.
The litmus test. Now, what is that? It's time to check कि आपके बीच की जो compatibility है और जो आपका connection है, is it lit or is it a miss? Should we have the litmus test? गेम बहुत सिंपल है. It's ये और ने. हम आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछेंगे जो नेहा आपसे सवाल पूछेगी और आपको ये और ने में इसके जवाब देने हैं. हर सवाल का जवाब देने के लिए आपको ये और ने के आपने लिखा होगा अपने पेपर्स पे, उसको कैमरा पे ऐसा दिखाना है. पहले सिंगल्स जो हैं, जो लड़कियां वो दिखाएंगी और उसके बाद सलमान अपना जवाब दिखाएंगे. The game is to get into the heart and mind of the person and see whether their connection is lit or a miss. Okay? Neha, you ready with the questions?
I am ready. Will you just tell me, Ran, when to ask the question? I'm assuming all the girls will be in the frame at the same time?
They'll all be here. Let's get the girls here. Let's get the three girls. Salman, now it's getting easier. 10 se 3 ho gayi hain. Now it'll be easier. But now, if you have to say no to Erica again, oh my God, that's what I'm saying.
Oh my God, yeah. You cannot.
अब कैसे करेगा तू?
You know, I'm saying, Salman, don't think of. My advice to you is अभी की सोच. आगे की सोच कि शो में जाके क्या होगा. Don't think of the bigger picture. आगे जाके किसके साथ क्या होने वाला. We don't know what's gonna happen. तू अभी की सोच who you're vibing with right now, who you think is cool. And to be honest, even in the Erica round, I'm sure you wanted to get to know Erica. Of course, Himani is gorgeous, but you want to know when you want to hang out and follow Run's instructions. Round wise.
सब कुछ follow Run's instructions. Neha, yaar, बहुत smart है. Listen, this is a tough. Whole process is tough.
Yeah.
लेकिन मैं आपकी बिल्कुल मदद नहीं करूँगा because I can understand how difficult it would be. But Neha, understands more. She has better judgment when it comes to women. But 3 girls, yeah. Now, on the basis of the next round, it'll be easier for you to see whether there is a connection, is it lit or is it a miss. So I think those questions and the answers will help you to decide even further. हमने आपके लिए बहुत simplify कर दिया. Let's get the 3 girls and then Neha will ask everybody the question. पहले लड़कियां जवाब देंगी और वो दिखाएंगी ये और ने और फिर आप भी दिखाएंगे and you can see किसके साथ मैच हो रहा है किसके साथ नहीं हो रहा है. And we have the 3 girls, Himani, Rashmi and Erica. Hi girls.
Hi. Hi Himani, hi Rashmi, hi Erica.
Hello.
You girls know जब नेहा सवाल पूछेंगी आपको अपना जवाब ये और ने में सिर्फ दिखाना है. आपके दिखाने के बाद आप नीचे कर दोगे and Salman will show you the answer. That's it. That's the game. It's simple. We're going to do it quickly so that you don't change your answer or you don't overthink it. It should be the first real answer that comes to your mind or your heart. Ready, Neha?
Okay.
Yes, Andre.
Let's go with the first question.
All right. So the questions that I have are question 1. Are you a better kisser than a talker?
Sorry?
Are you a better kisser than a talker?
All right, Salman, aapki bari. Okay. हर जगह ये चल रहा है ये. Next सवाल.
Okay. Question 2. If your partner,
It's very noisy. It's very noisy. It's very noisy. Can we just mute ourselves because it's very noisy to hear the question.
Rashmi, Himani, and Erica, all of you just mute yourselves.
Your next question is: if your partner cheats on you and apologizes, can you forgive them?
Salman, your turn. Oh,
Okay.
Himani and Salman. Okay, it's difficult. I can understand what Rashmi and Erica. I can understand your answer though. Okay, next, Neha.
The next question is a tough one. अगर आपका partner allergic है, would you give up your pet? Would you give up your pet for the sake of your partner, just because your partner is allergic?
Oh wow, Salman, your answer.
Never. 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 Ever.
You have a pet?
I have cats, so I love them to death. And if somebody is allergic, that's their problem. I'm not going to give up my cat to them.
Fair enough.
Also, huge possibility if Salman is allergic to Himani's pet, and if Himani is allergic to Salman's pet, they're definitely giving up on each other. All right, next question. Would you date your ex's best friend just for revenge?
All right, Salman, your answer. I love Salman.
I'm a very petty person. I'm so sorry.
He's like, मैं बदला लेकर रहूंगा. Next.
All right. Next question. Have you ever broken, burnt, thrown out your ex's things?
Broken, burnt, thrown out. Okay.
कभी आपने अपने एक्स की जो चीजें हैं वो तोड़ी हैं, जलाई हैं, या खिड़की से बाहर या घर से बाहर फेंकी है?
Rashmi, faster. Rashmi, we have to rush you. Yes. ये and Salman's like, ये hoodie देख रहे हो, ये hoodie.
All right, next question. Friends with benefits are better than relationships? This is the question. Are friends with benefits better than relationships?
Rashmi, Okay, everybody agrees. Next, Rashmi, please be quick. You're looking at other people's answers. We need
All
to
right.
look-
We'll have Rashmi answer this first and then the other two immediately after. क्या लड़कों को commitment issues होते हैं?
All right, everybody, your answers. And Salman. Yeah. Okay, so थोड़े connection इधर, थोड़ा lit इधर, थोड़ा miss इधर, थोड़ा miss इधर, थोड़ा lit इधर. Yeah, are the questions done?
No, we have one last question, which is game over love. Like, would you go with the game over love?
Himani is all in to play the game. And then, Salman, your answer. You've been in these situations before. You've been in this situation before. Okay, that's it. All right, girls, you can unmute yourselves.
Alrighty.
All right.
And Himani. Okay. Salman, इन सवालों से आपको एक तो लड़कियों की पर्सनालिटी के बारे में पता लगा और ये भी आपको पता लग गया कि कहाँ पे आपका ज्यादा compatible हो, आप किधर कई बार opposites attract, कई बार similar interests are good, and on the basis of this you will take two girls to the next round. What do you think of the questions though? Himani, Erika, the questions are good, insightful.
Good questions. But why wouldn't you throw your exes or like burn your exes stuff, man?
No, I feel like that's immature.
Everyone does that. Come on.
No.
No.
Either you use it because it's there in your house, otherwise you just give it to someone यहाँ पे फायदा, or just give it back to them. Like there's no little
I don't and throw it and then burn it. I mean, I wouldn't do that.
Burn it. At least throw it. Don't burn it, but at least throw it.
I mean, I
Okay.
Okay, your
All
call.
right, Salman, the fun games will continue in the next round, but with only two girls. Himani, Rashmi और Erika में से कौन सी वो दो लड़कियां हैं जिनके साथ you think you have a lit connection, and which is the one girl where you have had a miss? What do you think? Lit या miss? Litmus test है ये आपका. You see, Neha, litmus test? Litmus?
Yeah. This test is much easier. Rashmi, because वो दोनों के देख के फिर होती थी.
दोनों में से जिसके साथ सबसे ज्यादा जिसके साथ लिट हुआ कनेक्शन सलमान, उनका तो आप नाम बता दो. देन जिन दो के बीच में डाउट है, we'll try to figure out that.
Imagine if he goes in for a face-off between Himani and Erika again. Oh my god.
So the connection with Rashmi was lit.
Oh, Rashmi, wait. Rashmi, congratulations. You're going to the last round. Please go and be one with your thoughts. Figure out what you're going to do, what you're going to ask in the interaction. You go now, and we're just going to have Himani and Erika again on our screens. Oh my God. Deja vu.
Okay.
सलमान बीच में, दोनों लड़कियां साइड में, सिर्फ एक लड़की जा सकती है फाइनल में. लास्ट टाइम दिस हैपेंड, हिमानी स्कोर्ड ओवर एरिका, बट नाउ सलमान के पास और भी इंफॉर्मेशन है. He has the answer to the questions. He knows his answer. He knows Himani. He knows Erika. This decision could be different or the same.
I'd love your cat. I'd love your cat.
I want to know.
I love your cat, and I will give you the allergy. And I love your cat, and I have no allergy to animals. I love dogs and cats.
So Erika is saying she loves your
I
cat.
can prescribe drugs if necessary.
He can prescribe drugs. He has no allergies.
I love cats and dogs.
doctor,
I had
right?
a dog. I can prescribe drugs if somebody has allergies.
अगर allergies
I'm
हो,
not allergic to people.
हिमानी आप क्या बोलोगे?
I can do whatever you want if it comes to medicine. I can entertain you. I can prescribe drugs. And
But we had most of the answers common, right? We had more in common.
we had more compatibility. And opposite attracts. He's a handsome hunk. I'm a nerd and a cool person too.
भाई
I'm a combination of nerd and a cool
भाई
person. So you need that.
He's like, come on,
I can tell you the right nutrients based on the
Okay, guys.
minerals and vitamins, and you can go and work out.
Everybody say
With me. With
Wyatt,
me. Not
Erica,
without me.
Erica bus, Himani bus. Neha, unmute yourself.
मेरा दिल एक बार टूट चुका है और नहीं प्लीज
So we're
मैं
gonna
पहले में नर्वस हुआ
we're gonna
प्लीज मेरा दिल 2 बार मत तोड़ना
But you will understand. He's a kind-hearted person. You are the one person who understand that.
I would be wounded if you do that to me again.
In Salman's defense, I can vouch for it. He's not, you know what he
I
calls
have so
himself.
much so okay.
So,
so many fans.
Okay. Time
so
to
we're gonna
decide.
go for it. So my connection with Himani was lit, and Erica was nice.
Oh, thank you. I told you we had more in common.
Opposite attracts.
Erica.
And we had compatibility.
Erica, to be fair,
Please choose me.
he
Please
wanted to
choose
know
me,
you more.
Salman. Please choose
He
me.
wanted to, Erica, to be honest, he wanted to
मैं
know you
लखनऊ
more.
नवाब हूँ सलमान मेरा दिल 2 बार मत तोड़ो प्लीज
But he decided, he thought about you.
मेरे
And
पास और भी शेर थे जो मैंने कल लिखे हैं मैंने कल और भी शायरी लिखी थी मैंने पूरा होमवर्क किया
और जानने के बाद,
Himani has a fair point. Fair point.
yeah. But I mean, Erica को जानने के बाद, Salman can make this decision with more information. And this time, Salman, you're sure?
Yeah, I'm sure, sir. I'm sure this time.
All right. Thank you, Erica. Best of luck. Thanks for being here. And Himani, we will see you in the next round, which is the final round. Wow, that was tough.
Yeah, it really was.
Okay, once again, now, Salman.
This is not what I was prepared for, sir.
यार पर तूने उसको बुलाया वापस, उसको होप दिया, उसको ऐसा, और फिर तूने दोबारा
1 minute before Salman answers this, Salman, I cannot tell you how many years I've known Run for. You have served this situation to Run on a platter, and he is going to make sure that he makes you feel really bad. This is what he does best.
It was not at all my intention. I really wanted to know Erica more, and if I had a chance to take all 3 along.
अच्छे भले शो में तेरे को चॉइसेस दिया था, आराम से तू आगे बढ़ता रहता. द अदर गर्ल जिसके बीच में तेरे को नहीं था कोई इंटरेस्ट, वो होती, आराम से तू उसको निकाल देता. अब तूने एरिका का दिल दोबारा तोड़ दिया है. अब तो यूएस से तो जाना ही मत भाई, ठीक है?
लखनऊ की तरफ भी मत अपनी टिकट कटाना.
और कबाब भी मत खाइयो, और ना ही का कोई तू पहनियो कुछ, ठीक है?
Yes. और आज के बाद शायरी बंद.
शायरी बंद, और तू डॉक्टर के पास भी नहीं जाएगा.
डॉक्टर के पास भी नहीं जाऊंगा.
बस कैट्स के पास रहना, which is a very good thing.
No, but I think she'll understand, because this is not a normal situation for a guy anyways, कि आप एक साथ 10 लड़कियों के बीच में choose कर रहे हो. This is for the show, and you know, just generally if you're vibing or you want to know more about somebody. Okay, moving on, the last round. आजकल सब कुछ बिना OTP के कुछ नहीं होता ना. Neha, everything you need an OTP for, right?
I agree, yeah. For at least the things that I use an OTP for, yeah. Not mine, my husband's.
The last round, which is the final round, OTP, one-time proposal. So now it's time for the girls to share their OTP, which is the one-time proposal with Salman to make the final decision of the heart. It's important to know कि दिल में है क्या. So speak up and speak your heart out. अभी दोनों सिंगल लड़कियां जो है उनको 1 मिनट का टाइम मिलेगा to set up for their proposal, और 1 मिनट के बाद एक आके अपना OTP शेयर करेंगी with Salman. All right, Salman.
हूँ सर.
फाइनली आपको थोड़ा सा बात करने का मौका मिलेगा. और फिर वो एक वन टाइम प्रपोजल करेंगे आपके लिए, एंड they'll get 1 minute to, you know, try to do a setup. Now you know a little, you've seen their videos, you've seen if you are vibing with them, lit hai, miss hai, kya connection hai, you know a little more about them. But this 1 minute, make sure you ask the right questions, and this is an interaction that you know, will give you more insight into the girls. And Neha, any tips? What should he ask? What should he do?
No, I feel like he should just listen carefully. I mean, एक तो होता है पूछना, दूसरा होता है ध्यान से सुनना. तो दोनों लड़कियों के बारे में ध्यान से सुनो वो आप जब जवाब देंगी. So just be a good listener while you're talking.
Okay, that's a great this thing, yaar, because सुनना बहुत जरूरी है. All right, the first girl, and this is the first time you're going to be one-on-one with one girl. The first girl is Himani. Himani, and you have a minute to just chat, interact, and then you can easily figure out ki, you know, little more about her. Can we have Himani on the screen now? Let me do my magic. There it. Hi Himani. Himani, आपके पास एक मिनट का टाइम है, आप interact कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद I will give you 1 minute where he'll be interacting with the other girl for you to set up for your OTP, which is your one-time proposal. Right now, you guys can talk. This is the first time you're actually getting one-on-one time with each other. Go for it.
Hey.
Hi, Himani. How are you? I like the setup though. The heart, the candles. I like the setup.
Yeah, I just did it for you.
Oh, that's really sweet of you. Tell me everything. Tell me, why do you want to be on Splits though?
So it's like I want to be in Splitsvilla, not just for love, but also for the title. You know, like the title matters a lot for me because I have been told that I deserve better. So, and you know, when a person says you deserve better, means what, right? When they leave you for saying you deserve better, you know why they say it. So I actually want to show it to people that I actually deserve better, and I deserve the trophy, and I deserve a person whom I can love and who can be better than the rest.
So if you had a choice of choosing the trophy and the guy you're into, who would you choose though?
Okay, so it's like I choose the guy who's strong, and if I choose a strong guy, that's obvious that we are gonna, you know, win the trophy.
I mean, Splits is all about connections. Splits is all about connections. Splits is about getting to know somebody, like, you know, being candid with them, being open with them, and you know, going all the way and winning together. So it's something that you need to win with someone, and you need to be together with someone. So like, I'm asking you, if you had a choice that you got like a guy, and but you have to be with someone else for the title, what would you do?
So I choose a stronger person because deep down I know that I'm really strong. I'm a very strong person. I have a strong personality, physically, mentally, because I know my weakness, right? And I'm a loving person as well because I've seen hate in my life. So I choose the stronger person because, you know, if the person is not strong, we won't have that connect. We won't be compatible.
Obviously.
If the person is not strong, we won't be compatible because
Himani,
yeah.
And you guys have interacted for more than a minute. Now, are you ready with your OTP?
Yes.
All right, go for it. This is your one-time proposal. You have 1 minute. Is the setup ready?
Yes. I'm so sorry. I'm operating the phone.
That's okay. We understand that.
I'm so extremely sorry. So this is the thing. I got a rose for you. This is a candy, not the rose, because meko murchhaye hue phool pasand nahi hai. So I got a candy for you. And so it was like we were just given a small a limit frame and time. So this is the least I could do for you. But trust me, in person, I'm more than this. Super filmy and super romantic. So if you be mine, we can set couple goals. If you be mine, we can travel the whole world together. If you be mine, we can hit the gym together. If you be mine, I might not be the best dancer in the world, but I'll dance for you. I might not be a singer, but I'll sing for you. I'm a pure vegetarian, but I'll cook non-veg for you. I'll be there by your side whenever you need me. And I promise, I don't promise to be with you at your best, but I do promise I'll be there at your worst. And I don't have much time to express how I feel for you, but I hope you see it in my eyes. Please pick me.
Oh, wow.
Very sweet proposal. Also, go. Let's just get all our lines
Be
from
mine.
there.
See, you're also add an animal. See? A bird.
Be Beyonce.
All right, that was very nice. Let's okay. Well,
But did you start crying? No, right?
What? No, I think I'm fine.
Is he?
But
Are you upset about the fact that he's not crying?
No. I asked you.
I'm crying. I'm crying all the time.
Does me crying count? Because I think I'm about to start crying after this proposal.
Okay. All right. Best luck, Himani. Now let's get Rashmi. Rashmi. Oh, wow.
What a great setting.
Amazing. Wow, Rashmi.
I love the setting though.
Thank you. I like things being, classy and being organized properly. That way I'm super organized.
That looked really good. That's a great setup. Well done. 100 points for the effort. Rashmi, you have some time to interact, but do you want to go with your OTP, your one-time proposal?
I'll go with your OTP, the password. So you shopping.
I want to go to the proposal and I'll carry on with the conversation with that, along with the OTP.
Okay, you can start your interaction now, guys.
Hi, Rashmi. Oh, you've written something.
I hope you don't find it that I'm writing for you again and again, but this is something
No. Please go ahead.
Okay. I sit near the window, admiring the sun setting in the horizon. There's chill in the air, maybe in the heart. December has set in, and so has the Christmas cheer. Season celebrations have set in. It's been years since Christmas doesn't feel the same. Meet me under the mistletoe.
Oh, meet me under the mistletoe.
Very festive, very sweet.
I hope you like it. I just give it a try.
I do. I want to ask you something though, Rashmi. Why do you want to be on Splits?
So the thing is, I don't, I'm looking for something like a connection or something. Game's important, but if I find love, I'll go with that. I'll be more than happy,
You're here for the connection.
Yeah, I think I'm here for the connection. Yes.
So what if you got a connection but you're going to lose with that particular connection? Would you let that go to win the trophy?
No, I would not let that go to win the trophy because the thing is, now in my life, I have not found love very easily. If I'm gonna find love, I'm gonna stick to that. I'm gonna keep it to myself and cherish it. And if I love, okay, the game, but I think I keep the love to myself. Trophy is important too, but the heart says, the heart wants what it wants. Sorry.
It's fine.
Oh, there was like a glass break sound. I was just like, okay.
Yeah, I thought something broke as well.
Right sound at the right time.
What would you do if the same situation happens to you? Like, would you go for the trophy or you would go for love?
Okay, but इसका जवाब सलमान आपको देने की जरूरत नहीं है, brother.
Ran, they've all answered this question. I don't know why they all are asking the same question to each other. Salman has said that he'll go with love. Himani has said she'll go with the trophy. Rashmi said she'll go with love. वो तो पहले already हो चुका था. थोड़ा ध्यान.
I want to know, Rashmi, though. I want to know something about you. What catches your eye in someone, though?
What catches my eye in someone? I like when the guys carry, he's carrying himself nicely. I like if he's presentable, he's wearing good clothes. And first of all, the way, the first interaction when he looks at you.
Rashmi and Salman, बहुत टाइम हो गया, अगर इतना ही टाइम तुम्हें एक दूसरे का स्पेंड करना है तो होप दैट यू मीट समवेयर. आई मीन इट कुड बी स्प्लिट्सविला आल्सो यार. गाइस क्या है, इतने सारे सवाल यहीं पे पूछ लोगे. इफ यू टेल हिम एवरीथिंग देन ही माइट वांट टू नो हिमानी बेटर लेटर because he'll already know you so well. Okay, let's get Himani back. Salman. Can Salman be between Himani and Rashmi, please? Yeah. Himani.
I'm ready to cook non-veg in my life. I'll cook it for you.
Both of you have done what you could. You've done. You put in all the effort and you've impressed Salman up till now. Splitsvilla 13 के जो ऑनलाइन ऑडिशंस हो रहे हैं उसमें 4 लोग जीतेंगे. 2 ऑलरेडी जीत चुके हैं, आप दोनों में से एक और कल एक और इन चारों में से 2 लोग एक्चुअली Splitsvilla 13 पर होंगे and people will vote for them and you're one step closer to being there. Now it's up to Salman, who is winning today? Himani or Rashmi? Basically, Salman ऐसा नहीं है कि जो अगर इनमें से जो भी जीते और बाय चांस अगर वो पहुंच जाती है स्प्लिट्सविला, जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको उन्हीं के साथ कनेक्शन बनाना है या वो आपकी पार्टनर बन जाएंगी या स्प्लिट्सविला में आपको उन्हीं के साथ परफॉर्म करना है. बिकॉज देयर विल बी मेनी बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स इन स्प्लिट्सविला, बट एटलीस्ट यू नो ईच अदर, राइट? एंड this is it, Salman. Would it be Himani or Rashmi? Who do you choose and why? Yeah.
So it was really hard for me to make a choice between both of them. I mean, both the ladies are amazing. Both of them caught my eye, and like both of them deserve to be there. But there was this slight edge and connection I had with Rashmi since the start, and so I'm really sorry, Himani, but I am going to go with Rashmi.
Oh snap! Oh my God! And remember when he said he let Erica go, Himani was like, क्या हमारा दिल तोड़ना आसान है? हमारा दिल टूटेगा तो ठीक है. Himani, thanks for being here. So close, you're so close, but hope to see you soon. Best of luck. Salman, you
so sorry, Himani.
Why?
Yeah, Himani, you were amazing. You have that spark. And remember, जो आप कहते हैं ना कि लोग कहते हैं कि oh, she's gone, but I'm sure she's watching. One thing that Himani said was about सब मुझे कहते हैं I deserve better. Yeah, you're back. Himani, if you think and you feel you deserve better, then you know you deserve better. दूसरों के कहने का इंतजार मत करो, Himani. You deserve all this you're getting in life and much more. All the best. You're amazing. And क्या बोलते हैं, you're lit.
Best of luck, Himani. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Best of luck.
Thank
Salman,
you, Himani.
first of all, congratulations. Yay!
Congratulations, Rashmi.
Rashmi, now the most important thing is that there will be 4 winners. You are the 3rd winner. There'll be another winner tomorrow, and day after 21 तारीख से voting will start. All the viewers, all your followers, all your friends, all Salman's followers, friends, everybody should vote for you to get you to be one of those 2 Splitsvillans जो actually Splitsvilla में पहुंचते हैं. Once you're there, all of you will be on the same level. ऐसा नहीं है कि somebody's a bigger contestant or a higher level. No, all of you will be together. I hope you get there. Best of luck to you. Anything you want to say to Salman before we end this today?
I just want to tell you, it's not just for the, that I have to impress you, but when when you first started talking, I actually feel the vibe, that how a person is, and I got that positive vibe around you, and that the vibe that I like having around. So I was really happy about it, that I have to impress someone who I actually, like I like the, that
Nice. Salman,
I'm really happy about it, I'm very
finally
happy
you
about
feel good about it. It was tough to narrow the
It was
girls
way
down
too tough, sir. Way too tough.
to one, but Rashmi को देखकर you feel like you did well today, right?
Yes, I mean, like, she just seems different, and everybody was amazing. Everybody was amazing in their own ways. But I had to choose one.
#Rushman. Rush.
Oh my God. Rushman, we have a brand new hashtag, guys. Yeah, feel free to use it. Tell us what you feel and run. This is amazing. Salman ka jo chehre pe jo rang tha na, before he started to say, I'm going to be doing this. Rang utar gaya uska. Like, he's just like, oh my God.
I am stressed out. I am actually stressed out.
But Salman, guess what? You've got Run, you've got Splitsvilla, you've got an entire season ahead of you. I wish you all the best. I'm sure you've done this enough and more times. You'll be amazing. And I'm sure Rashmi and you will... I don't know if you guys are going to be together on the show or not. You will do really well at your own
All right.
levels.
For now, Rashmi, congratulations. Well done on winning today. And best of luck. You still have some work cut out. Make sure that people vote for you on Voot. And enjoy your victory for now. Man, best of luck. Neha, thanks a lot for being here. I know, you know, you're always there whenever we need you. But new experience for you to see a guy choose one girl out of 10.
Yes, and you know what's really nice is that he did it so, you know, respectfully, and he was nice to everybody, and it's just so nice to see you, you know. And I hope that you carry this momentum on further in the game as well, Salman. Played well.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Always want to run.
Bye, Rashmi. Bye, Salman. Thank you so much, Neha.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas. And Happy New Year in advance to all of you. See you guys.
Happy New Year.
But you guys who are watching us, आपका अभी काम शुरू भी नहीं हुआ है. We are going to be back tomorrow, right? Kal we'll be back with another exciting episode where we get to meet, first of all, our 4th Splitsvillain in Ria and 10 single boys who will be trying to woo her attention and become our 4th and last to be Splitsvillain. और उसके बाद it's all up to you guys. Like I said, आपका काम 21st December से शुरू होगा because voting lines 21st December Monday 12 PM से शुरू होंगी. Don't forget to vote to see your favorite on MTV Splitsvilla 13, co-powered by Philips Hair Care and Manforce. And I have another surprise for you tomorrow. Let's just say that my co-host and I will be mismatched. See you guys tomorrow. And don't forget to tune in tomorrow at 2 PM. Stay safe. See you guys.
Bye, Ran. All the best. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Neha. Take care.